Oof. I am always excited to get gifts. Good morning. I'm awake since early, well, 8 practically, and I didn't do anything, but I went to change my sheets. They are in one side here, there. And I'm fluffing my pillows. It's good to do it one time in a month, all that jazz. Anyway, while I was cleaning and after I had my breakfast, I found that these are right. I wouldn't like, I kind of sell some of the things that are inside because they get my box later than other people. And I know that I will not have my favorite box here so far. So, but we will share. I'm only curious to know what color I got. Okay, I will begin taking. I'm not looking, by the way. I'm just taking things here. This is the magazine for this month. Is Winter Walk for January, and it's related to winter. I will show you after I show the other stuff what is in the magazine. This first thing I think is the extra fabric. Sorry, I'm not looking my box, so I hope I don't mess up. It's taking more than I supposed to. It's getting good. Okay. Color. Yeah, Temptations. Anyway, so this is usually is a meter of fabric that you get as an extra. This time we're getting only half because it's so thick. It's like a felt fabric and it's pretty thin. It's really not a lot. I don't like the way that it comes. I don't know how much I can do. So it's half meter. Of course it has to be in this way. Okay. I don't know what I would do. Maybe a vest. Something to be at home, like a vest. I don't know if I have enough for that. I need to find a pattern for that. It's really nice. Flowers, and it's very soft. But it's limited to what I can do. So far I think I can do, maybe I can go away with a vest. Something that I can wear over my shirts or something like that. Other than that, I know that they have options. I will see what options they have. But for this, I don't know what else. And I don't think I will do anything for the dog because the dog actually doesn't like so much in this. So that is the extra fabric. Let's see what else. I'm taking here. I believe these are bottoms. And they are in a grayish color. I think it's 7. 4, 6, 7 of them. They are like shell material. It's hard to show. But they're actually interesting. Not the most cute ones, but they're good. And I don't have a lot of cotton, so that's good. Okay. What else I have here? Oh, this is a hot cocoa. Instant hot chocolate galaxy. Like that. Just add water. I will be trying this later. It's a cold day and it's perfect for winter. Do I have anything else? Oh, it's a little design, and this was made thinking on the fabrics that we got, that you can make like a hat with the extra fabric. This is, if I'm not wrong, because I watched the video, this is the luxury fabric, and here they put one piece of the classic and mini box. It's cute. I think I like that. And now comes the thread. What color I got? I got blue. It's a blue thread. So the fabric is blue. Oh, I think it's black. Yeah, it's actually the black one. I think I'm more happy about that. I saw the other ones and I think other than the black, I like it, the navy blue, but no, the other one that was kind of maroon. So it's a very vintage fabric. It's like a corduroy, baby corduroy. So I have 2.5 meters of these, and it's only in one side that is the print. I want to see how it's black, right? Or is it blue? I think it's black. Anyway, black or blue. I like it, the darker color. It's not so, the width is maybe only 45, so it limits a lot of what we can do with that. Like I say, I kind of saw this fabric coming. It looks blue in the screen, but it looks really dark here. I thought about one of these. This was my first idea. It's like a nice option, but you need 3.25 meters for that, and I only have 2.5 yards, and I only have 2.5 meters of these. That is close to almost 3 yards. And then the dress that is also made in a corduroy, I thought that it can be a good option, but I really like if I do something like that. I saw some Instagram, I don't know, I saw some pictures with this style, and it can be a good option. I don't know, but I don't love it. So weird, the screen is looking blue, but if I take a picture it looks black for now. Maybe it's my light, I don't know. But it's a very not drippy material. I think it's good for winter, so it will go to my winter group. And the side, I think it doesn't have a back and bottom, I don't know, because the flowers go in different directions, so it will be easy to work on the pattern in that way. It would not be so complicated that if we wear stripes or some pattern that is only on one direction. So far it's good. Not my favorite fabric, but I know that I can do something nice with this. We'll see. So far I'm thinking about maybe I can do just the pants part, and I don't know, the dress, I don't know. Give me your opinion. What do you think about this? This is more summery, and this fabric is a corduroy, so I don't think it will go good. Decisions. So this is the fabric, the box that we got this month, and this is what, oops, there it looks like it were the same. Okay, maybe it's a navy blue and I'm just thinking that it's black. My light here is not the best, but the camera is showing one color different than what I see. I will take a picture with my camera, maybe phone, so you will see what I'm seeing, I think. Let's see. Okay, time to continue doing some of my laundry. I'll be back. I almost forgot. Let me see if I can go closer. So I took the picture, and this is a magazine, and the magazine, as I always, have the introduction of Sewhaley Jane interview to somebody. I think this is the person that made one of the fabrics, and be who you want to be. What else we have here? Spotlight, somebody that has been doing some projects with the fabrics. Cozy accessories. So this is the options that they are giving to make with the half meter, like little boots. What is this? A bucket hat. This is a snuggly sleeper boots. Mittens. I'll say hat. Aviator hat. None of those options, to be honest, I like too much. Here we have somebody that made it of the mom, that made with the one of the fabrics that we got before. I made a blouse with that one. Here we have Esther that she made a hat with this fabric. I honestly don't wear that kind of hat, so not happening. This was the fabric for the luxury box. I like that, but I think I will do something different if I had that fabric. It's very summery for what I watch in the videos. Here's somebody else. She made a pants like I'm thinking about. Oh, it's not pants. It's like a, maybe she's very short and can use that amount, but oh well, she did a complete overall. Oh well. Then your resolutions by Tamlin, Maker's Gallery, somebody made with the previous 1 yard that we got that bag that came. Then you have more options of people that did things. Oh, somebody made a different kind of bag. It's a good option to make a bag. Profile, things that are coming, what Sewhaley Jane is reading, eating, watching, and there's the description of the box. That is a 2.5 vintage floral corduroy, 100% cotton, and then we got 50 centimeters arty flower polar fleece, 100 meters of Gutermann thread, illustration by Hello Sunshine that we put in some place. Okay, I don't know. Oh, it fell here. The illustration, the magazine, the bottoms, and Galaxy Hot Chocolate Sachet. It's vegetarian, by the way. That's good. Means that it's a pure dark chocolate. And that is, God, now I am like thinking what I will do. But I will put these two on my pile for winter, since they are winter items. Goes on my basket. Talking about my basket, let's see. So far, this is what is left in my basket. We have this one, and this one. I think I did very good because I have the other one that is there ready to be cut. So we will add these two more. I think I'm doing good with my, it's not detaching, getting rid, no, it's working my fabrics. So all these are winter fabrics and I will take care of them. So it's perfect. There is all the sheets that I changed, I have to put in the laundry. I'm working on my laundry and I have this one that I just picked, and now one of my projects is work on this year. I will begin with the winter one. This is my winter one. I think it's one of the lower ones. Let me move this. These are like containers that have my decoration for every season, and this is the winter one. I will see what I have here, what I will get rid of, and just keep what I really use for my decoration. No more of extra things that I really don't need. It was not in the plans here to walk because it is very slippery, but he was driving me crazy. So we will do a slow and short walk today. It is 25 minutes to 8 and I got all that laundry done. Also the new fabric is on the laundry machine. Time to iron. I watch some more series here. So